Hey guys, Pamela Salzman here, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite simple recipes for no-knead bread. Making bread doesn't have to be a complicated process reserved for advanced bakers. All you need is a few ingredients. Today I'm using my STAUB Dutch oven to make a super simple and satisfying no-knead bread. Before we get into the recipe, take a second to click like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Whether you're new to baking bread or an experienced baker, this is a great recipe to have in your back pocket. It's super easy and only requires a little bit of advanced planning. It's such a crowd pleaser. Today I'm using my 5.5 quart STAUB Dutch oven. You can also make this in a 4 quart. This STAUB Dutch oven is a staple in my kitchen because you can use it for so many different dishes. The steam created inside the Dutch oven ensures a crispy crust and a luxuriously soft interior. Now, let's get into the recipe. Who doesn't love a beautiful loaf of homemade bread? For this bread, all you're gonna need is 3 cups of bread flour, 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 1/3 cups of lukewarm water. All you do is combine these simple few ingredients together in a bowl with a wooden spoon, and you just mix until you form a sticky dough. Perfect, we have a sticky dough. Now I'm gonna cover this with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise overnight in a draft-free area for 18 to 24 hours. Lucky for me, I already have another one made, and I'm gonna go swap this out. Now that the dough has risen, we're going to shape it. If you want to add other ingredients like seeds or nuts, this would be the time to mix those in. So first, lightly flour your work surface. I'm just using the countertop. And what you're going to do is take the dough out, and you're going to form this into a ball. Just kind of tuck the sides in, do some quarter turns, and then transfer it to your parchment paper. Put a little extra flour on top. You're going to cover it with a towel and then let it rise for another 1 to 2 hours. Stoves are great for cooking bread in the oven because the heavy flat lid holds in the heat and steam, which is going to make the bread moist and crispy. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 475 degrees and place my stove in there while it preheats to get it nice and hot. Now that our dough has risen, it's time to put it into our STAUB Dutch oven and place it back in the oven. This is going to go in for 30 minutes covered and 30 minutes uncovered. Your house is going to start to smell incredible as the bread cooks. Now it's finally time to slice into this beautiful bread. Oh my gosh, listen to that gorgeous crunch. And look at how nice and soft and moist the interior is. All you need to make the best no-knead bread is a few ingredients and a STAUB Dutch oven. When I'm done with my stove and it has cooled completely, I just clean it with a little soap and water and put it away. Just a reminder, the recipe is in the description below. Head to swilling.com to learn more about STAUB Dutch ovens. Check out our STAUB recipe series to learn the best way to deep fry, sear steak, make one-pot meals, and more. Let us know how your bread turns out in the comments below. Now it's time for me to go eat this. Thanks for watching.